Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, or imposters who wear cat heads, copy my video content, and use the titles of my videos in their videos. And this is Burgh unboxing without the box because I couldn't carry this stuff. Now, this was sent to me by Lisa of Muffy Etc fame. Wonderful cats. You should subscribe to her channel. Very cute kitties. And if you have not seen it, if where you are it is an endangered species, if it's been so long since you've seen it that the dust bunnies and the shells have died of starvation, then I will show you toilet paper. And I shudder to think what she spent for this. I know what she spent for this. I'm embarrassed. But here we go. We have 6 rolls of American toilet paper. And these were sterilized with Lysol for 30 seconds on all the way around. And we have a box of Scotties. And we have a box of 2-ply tissues. And the back of the box looks like this. And the back of the Scotties looks like this. And I have not seen any of these in any store for 3 weeks. So, if you haven't, you wondered what they look like. This is what toilet tissue looks like. I've never understood why they call it toilet tissue when it's not anywhere inside or around a toilet, unless you put it on top of the toilet tank. And let's open this up. I'm sure the inside is sterile, I'm pretty sure. There's a roll of toilet paper in case you wondered, you can't remember, it's been so long. And they're talking about Target, Walmart, and Costco having toilet paper that temporarily the mob mentality of cleaning it out like locusts has stopped. But they don't know how long that's going to last. So there it is. Thank you, Lisa, Sheba, Muffy, Etc, and Grandpa Lisa, Grandpa, Kitty Grandpa, for that. I really appreciate it, and I will see what I can do. I'll at least make the offer to repay you for what you spent for this, because I looked at the shipping cost, and I went, oh my God, and I really have to make the offer to repay her. If she doesn't want to do it, that's another animal. But I promised to donate to her, as I've done in the past. And in the past, she has said, don't worry about it. But I love the 2 kitties. They're so, Sheba and Muffy are so cute little older kitties who have health issues like I do. But the one loves to hide under the blankie and will take jackets out of the closet and burrow in the jackets like a nest. They're lovely videos to watch. And, by the way, they do Batcat. And their evil enemy, the skeleton creature whose name I can never remember. But they're great fun if you go back and watch all the Batcat videos. She hasn't done a Batcat video in a long time. Please do a Batcat video. Maybe Batcat versus coronavirus. She could get a plush of the coronavirus from the people that put out the plushes for AIDS and sickle cell, and it's a company in Ohio. They put all these plushes of the actual bacteria. They won't get you sick, but it's what they actually look like. And they're very, very, some of them are very, very odd. But they're fun to have. I have the red ant because and UCSF Mulberry used to sell all these. And then when they changed everything over, they got rid of the plushes. And I think it was a terrible thing to do. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. It is very warm in Martinez. I am roasting here at 5:41 in the evening. So there's my other Burgh unboxing package that I got today. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay cool and dry, or warm and dry, or maybe wet and dry, depending on your weather. Stay safe. Do social distancing. Wear a mask and gloves. And stay at home as much as you can, because this thing is spreading in parts of the country because people aren't staying at home and they're walking around with no mask on, no gloves on, walking 2 by 2 like they're going in the Noah's Ark. And that's why New York and Louisiana have an epidemic. Now, the bright spot, Washington is seeing its cases lower. I think they've been on lockdown so long that Master Lock there is having trouble. No one, they bought all the locks. All right, that's it for now. My eye is itching because I've got the allergy problem too, and I keep scratching my eyes, and I shouldn't, but what am I going to do? Bye-bye for now.